Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your general and love reading o the current situation you're in pagdating sa love. So, check natin kung ano bang magiging takbuhan. Okay? So, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga items, so, meron tayong protection from evil eye, love bracelet, grantor necklace, and yung ating cord cutting. So, message na lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And, again, don't forget i-follow yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you! Okay, so love letter, yung isa nating YouTube channel. So, nandun din ako. And, yung ating isa pang channel na about animals, rescuing animals. Yan. So, sa brother ko naman po yun. Yeah. Appreciate sa mga nagsusupport. I appreciate you all. Okay, thank you. So, Sagittarius placements. Okay, Sagittarius placements. Anong kailangan mong malaman niya in general this mid-April? For Sagittarius placements, pasensya na kung may naririnig kayong ingay sa background. Temperance, oh, that's you. Temperance. Your patience. Your patience ay napakahalaga. O, diba? The Ace of Wands in reversed. Kinakailangan talaga ng matindihang pagpapasensya dito mga Sagittarius dahil may mga malilate. Dahil may mga madidelay. May mga, alam nyo na, pendings. Kung ano man to. Some of you, meron kayong mga hindi magagawa na naka-schedule na. Yeah. The Hangman. What's with this Ace of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the Five of Wands in reversed. May mga naka-schedule na hindi nyo magagawa. So, yes. Kailangan ng pasensya. Iwasan ng arguments. Iwasan natin ng drama. Merong mga ayusing schedule dito kung sakali man. Mga ayusin. Sabihin natin mga naka-note na. May mga babaguhin. Okay? May makikipag-ayos. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. So, what else? Knight of Pentacles. And Two of Swords in reversed. Meron kayong hindi sasagutin. Meron kayong hindi sisiputin. Hindi re-replyan, mga ganyang bagay. Hindi agad-agad pagdidesisyonan. Meron ako nakikita dito, mga mensahe na parang titingnan nyo lang, pero hindi nyo agad replyan. Hindi nyo agad re-replyan. I don't know why. O siguro wala pa kayong pwedeng maisagot. Parang ganon. No? Yeah, judgment. Sandali lang po. Okay, so, yeah. May magpapaalam dito. May magpapaalam like, kaya hindi agad makakasagot kasi may kailangan pang magpaalam, mga ganong bagay. Page of Pentacles, yeah, message. Some of you, an employer, maybe a friend, na pwedeng may message about invitation or kailangan sagutin ng yes or no. Are you in or are you out? Parang ganyan. Okay? So what else? Magre-reply ka rin naman. Sasagutin mo rin naman to actually. Yeah, the High Priestess. Talagang pag-aaralan mo muna. Talagang hindi mo agad-agad na isisin, hindi mo agad-agad re-replyan. Pero aaralin. Yeah. May manghihingi ng number. Yeah, may manghihingi ng number. What else? Six of Swords. Travel for some of you. You'll travel. The Emperor. Alam nyo, bago kayo mag-travel, kung alam nyo meron kayong mga iiwanan ng mga kung ano mang gawain, iwan nyo, ha? Okay? Huwag nyo dalhin sa pupuntahan. Para naman makapag-enjoy ka. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Swords. Para makapag-enjoy ka. Oh my gosh. Iwan mo muna. Kung kaya mong tapusin mo lahat para wala ka nang iniisip-isip. Para kang nagsayang lang ng pera mo kung ikaw ay magta-travel tapos yung utak mo nandoon sa kung ano man. Kaya the Three of Cups. Hindi ka makakapagsaya. Nasabi ko sa iyo. Ha? Okay? So, kung maraming kailangang tapusin bago umalis, tapusin mo. Yes, ang sarap kayang mag-travel, ang sarap gumala no nang walang iniintindi, 'di ba? Yeah. Gusto nyo bang mag-travel na marami kayong iniintindi? Kaya nga nagta-travel yung iba sa atin para malis ang stress. Pero hindi, yung iba dinadala pa rin ng stress. Anyway, some of you, your boss will message you while on your vacation. Oo. Hanggat maaari, wag niyong tingnan. Oo. So, kaya ka nga nandyan to rest. Di po ba? Yeah. So, let's see. What's for you naman? Pagdating sa love. Sa current situation ninyo in love, let's see. Anong meron? Situation ninyo. The Nine of Cups, Universe. Oh. May codependency. Temperance, again. Parang meron dito nakikigo with the flow. Nakikigo with the flow. Yeah. Anong meron sa person mo? Page of Pentacles. Yeah, the King of Cups. Yeah, this is codependency. Days of Pentacles. Meron ako ditong excuse me, nakikitang connection na parang takot i-end because of the codependency. It's like meron ditong nangungontrol at meron nagpapakontrol. Meron ditong utos ng utos at meron ditong sunod-sunuran. So, every time na may ganyan, there's somebody na pwedeng narcissistic. Okay? Pwedeng meron ditong kinakawawa. Okay? So, the King of Cups Universe person is sabihin nating emotionally hindi naman totoong invested here, or they're like not open. Some of them, they're too selfish. All about themselves. Okay? So, ang nangyayari, kung ikaw Sagittarius, this is you. Ikaw itong parang lagi na lang bumabalanse. I don't know kung okay ka pa. Okay ka pa ba, Sag? Sana okay ka pa. Ha? Oo, takot ka dito. No, sa Ace of Pentacles na naka-reverse. This is a missed opportunity. Ayaw kong magkaroon ng missed opportunity sa amin kasi marami na kami pinagsamahan. Ganto, ganyan. Kailangan ko lang intindihin to whatsoever. This is so stressful. Ha? Yeah, see the star in reverse. Even though nakakaramdam ka na there's no hope here, wala na itong mangyayari, pero sige, go. Hanggat kinakaya ko, hanggat nandito siya, hindi niya ako iniiwan whatsoever, kung ano man ang conflict or issue here, then hanggat nandito siya, that's okay, that's fine with me. No, it's not. No. Let's see their emotion. They're immature. Emotionally immature. Okay. Emotion for you, Sag? The Five of Swords in reverse. The Fool. The World in reverse. Itong taong to, ang galing nito every time na makikipag-ayos. Sa umpisa lagi, magiging okay. And then actually, this is a narcissistic person, Sag. Yeah, they are a narcissist. I'm sorry. Stress ka na dito. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So, hindi malabo na yung iba sa atin, iba sa inyo. Still, nandyan pa rin sa connection na yan. Hindi pa rin naalis, hindi pa rin pinipiling lumayo, hindi ine-endo. Kasi ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Yeah. Kasi nga may nangyayaring, alam nila, every time na sasablay na yung connection, alam nila kung paano ito ulit mamanipulahin. Okay? Alam nila ulit kung paano ulit babangon ng ibabangon itong connection na to. And then, unti-unti bababa ulit. Parang ganon. So, this is a cycle. Yeah. This person, sinasabi dito na ginagawa ka nilang fool. Yeah. Pinaiikot ka lang nito sa kanyang mga kamay. I'm sorry. Pero kailangan mong malaman yon. Yes. Alam mo bakit? Hindi rin ito totally lumalayo, umaalis sa'yo. Kasi alam nila you can provide everything. Yeah. Ikaw yung nag-iisip na baka mawalan ka. Sila talaga mismo yung nag-iisip na baka may malaking mawala sa kanila kapag ikaw umalis. Okay? So, ano bang meron pagdating sa next action nila sa'yo? This mid-April. Four of Cups in reverse. Ten of Swords. Yeah, Ten of Cups. Ay, nako. Paparamdam sa'yo ng taong ito talaga na siya yung kailangan mo. Ipaparamdam ng taong to na siya yung kailangan mo. Binubulagan ka lang. Oo, nabubulagan ka lang. Ha? Yeah, the Queen of Wands in reverse. Minamanipula ng taong to, utak mo, emosyon mo, lahat-lahat. Una pa lang, tinanong kita, are you okay? Hope you're okay. Mahirap po makaalis dito sa ganito. Okay ka bago dumating tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Yeah. Wala ka pang eye bags. Oo. Nung dumating tong taong to, wala pa. Wala ka pang stress. Wala ka pang wrinkles. Okay. Let's see. Potential outcome and advice for you, Sag. Justice in reverse. Potential outcome, justice in reverse. There is imbalance here. Unfair, no? Unfair. Imbalance. Some of you, this is talking about infidelity, cheating, in general, not fair. Yeah, Seven of Cups. Paikot-ikutin. This is lokohan. Opo. Okay? Lokohan. May nanglolo ko dito, merong gumagaod, merong gumagawa. So, mahirap. There's imbalance kapag ito nagpatuloy. Imbalance. Confusion. Okay? So, yun. So, the Hermit is here. Some of you need to isolate yourself from this. Pero ikaw itong hirap din. Bakit ka hirap? Kasi, namanipula ka nga. Ipinapaisip ng taong to sa'yo na sila kailangan mo. Yun lang po ang kaya nilang gawin. Ha? Yun lang. Ikaw marami. Anyway, so there. Nakita ko na naman tong reading na to. Let's see. Kung kayo ay hiwalay na nitong taong to at ganun pa rin yung nararamdaman mo, parang stuck ka, attached, then wala ring pinagbago. Okay, wala pa ring pinagbago. Attached ka pa rin. Doon na pasok to, ha? Yung ating cord cutting. So, all signs, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Attracted. Taurus. They're stressed. Gemini. Being mysterious. They have a lot of questions. Cancer. No stability with a Cancerian. Leo, they want cooperation. Virgo, they're obsessed. Some of them, they're toxic. They are. Libra, they're healing. Third party for some of you. Scorpio, hatred. Nakakaramdam ako ng hatred from them. Sagittarius. Here comes the love offer from a Sag. Capricorn. Commitments. Maybe this Capricorn is already committed. Okay. Aquarius. So, I'm hearing breakup, separation, silence. Pisces. May malalaman ka about Pisces. I don't know kung ano. So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.